You're watching how to remove a device from Find My app. Open the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom. This shows a list of all devices linked to your Apple ID. Find and select the device you want to remove from the list. On the Devices info page, scroll all the way to the bottom. Tap Remove this device. A confirmation warning will appear, stating that the device will no longer be located, locked, or erased using Find My. It also mentions that activation lock will be turned off for this device. Tap Remove to confirm. The device will immediately be removed from your Find My network and will no longer appear in your devices list. This is essential if you've sold or given away a device like an old iPhone or iPad. If you are removing a device that is currently offline, you may get an additional prompt explaining that the removal will complete once the device comes online. If you are trying to remove a device that is not yours like a family member's, you cannot remove it from your account unless you are the owner of the Apple ID signed into that device. For family sharing, the device owner must remove it from their own account. Also, ensure you have erased the device's content before removal if you no longer possess it. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.